Hi, this is Mike with Hiniker Company, and today I'd like to show you how to change the headlight bulbs and the turn signal running lights on our halogen headlights. We have two versions of headlights. This one we used from 2008 through 2012, it's still available, and this is the headlight that we started using in 2013 through our current model plows. On this version of the headlight, we have 3 screws that hold the back panel on, so I'll remove those 3 screws and we'll look on the inside. This is the turn signal and running light. Turn it counterclockwise to release it from the base. We use an amber colored 1157 bulb. In the center we have the high beam. First remove the red wire. Compress the spring clip and push them to the outside edge. Remove the clip and pull the bulb. You'll notice 2 locating pins on the bulb. When you reinsert the new light, make sure you get them located in the correct spot. Whenever working with a halogen bulb, use care not to touch the glass surface. The oil on your skin can shorten the life of a bulb. Make sure the bulb sits down in the locating holes and reinsert your spring tab. And reinstall the red wire. The low beam is on the inside of the light. First we'll remove the white ground wires, the green power wire. This uses a spring wire type of clip. Just push it to the center to release it, swing it up out of the way to remove the bulb. There are 3 locating tabs on the bulb and they'll match the 3 slots in the housing. To reinstall, clip the wires back under the washers, reinstall your wires, and you're ready to put the cover on the back. On our new style light, we just have a single screw holding a back panel on. This headlight utilizes the same turn signal running light bulbs, same type of plug-in, the same spring clip on the high beam, and the same wire clip on the low beam. It's awful hard to see down in there, but they're exactly the same as the headlight we just went through. Both of these headlight styles are permanently sealed around the plastic lenses. Don't try to take these apart because you will lose the silicone seal and then you'll get moisture on them. Both styles of these headlights have a vent or a weep hole. If you're getting moisture in your headlights, check this vent hole. During the off season, you could have a spider build a nest or a hornet, plug that hole. If you're developing moisture in there, there is a reason, and it's probably this vent hole has been plugged. Thanks for watching, and if you have any technical questions, please give us a call at 507-625-0314 or email me at mikez@hiniker.com. Thanks, have a great day, and together with Hiniker, let's put snow in its place.